Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Chime to Venmo instantly. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Venmo app on your device. Tap on the menu icon and go to Settings. From there, select Payment Methods to link your Chime account. Next, choose Add a Bank or Card and select Bank. Enter your Chime account details, including the routing and account numbers. Once added, Venmo will verify the connection. After your Chime account is linked, go back to the Venmo home screen and tap on Add Money. Select your Chime account as the funding source, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. The transfer should process instantly, making the funds available in your Venmo balance. If you need to send money to someone, simply tap on Pay, enter the recipient's username or phone number, choose the amount, and confirm. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Chime to Venmo instantly. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.